it's Michelle, and I've got another bead charm for you guys today that I think you're really going to love. You guys may remember my little barbecue grill bead charm that I did, and I just thought it was so much fun. And I was reminded of a new idea recently when I was buying charcoal for my real grill, and my little bead charm here came to mind when I was getting that, and I was buying the match light. So that made me think about matchsticks. So I decided to do some matchstick bead charms, and I think it's going to be so cute. I found some 25mm Bugle beads online, and they are in a satin buttery color, and I thought that was perfect for the wooden stem on a matchstick. And I will leave the links below for you guys so that you can get these as well. I think they are just perfect for the matchsticks. And I'm going to make a red tipped matchstick and a green one. And I'm using 6x8mm teardrop beads. And I did choose the kind with the AB coating, but you don't have to do that if you don't want to. I just thought that kind of helped the matchstick look. And then for each one, I've also got a 2-inch head pin and a lobster clasp. I'll be making a jump ring from the excess on my head pin, so you guys can go ahead and bring in a jump ring too if you don't want to make your own. And you can see by the way these are laid out that they are super, super simple. I like to keep all of my bead charms simple, and these are really super simple. I just put on my 25mm bugle bead for my matchstick, and then my teardrop bead pointed end down, and that is all there is to it. I think they're so cute. So then I just hold everything together and bend my head pin over at about a 90-degree angle, and then cut that down to about 1/4 of an inch. And I'm going to roll that into a loop with my round nose pliers. And then see if I've got enough here left over to create a jump ring. It is a little bit tough to bend because I had so little left, but I can manage. And I'm just going to clip that off where it meets. And that gives us our jump ring. And I'm going to open that up with 2 pairs of my chain nose pliers. Dangle my matchstick on, and my lobster clasp. And it's just that simple. I think it's so cute. So we'll do that one more time for our green tip match. First our bugle bead, and then the teardrop bead pointed end down. Hold everything together. I like to rest it against my pinky so I can push down on the beads here so that everything is nice and snug. Bend that over. Cut it down to about 1/4 of an inch. And it is very close on these. So if you've made some jump rings before with your excess in your stash, or if you have some purchased jump rings, you may want to use those. But I'm just going to go ahead and make mine with my excess. Just use my chain nose here to help me bend that last little part down because it is very short. But that makes for very little waste. And I think that one doesn't even have to be clipped. That's just about the right size. So I'm going to open that up. Dangle on my green tip match and my lobster clasp. And close that back up. Just perfect for a barbecue grill master. I think they're so cute. So you guys leave a comment below and let me know what you think of my matchsticks. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give me a like over on my Facebook page, and be sure to join our Facebook group, Craftie Minds. I would love to see your crafts over there if you recreate any of the bead charms that you've seen in the videos, or if you have some new ideas, I'd love to see those as well. Also follow me on Pinterest and Instagram, and don't forget to visit the blog. I'll put the links to everything in the description below, so be sure and check them out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.